As the years come and go, public and private schools are losing the confidence of parents. There is a sad reality to face of unqualified teachers, classrooms that are overcrowded, the use of outdated resources, plus the growing concern of school safety. These negative factors have given rise to the emerging popularity of having children homeschooled. At the start, parents transferred their children from the public schools to private schools in order to combat the negative peer influences and practices in the public school system. Then came the realization that some of the same problems still existed even in the private schools. Currently, homeschooling has been embraced by many parents. Homeschooling has many advantages. First, parents have a peace of mind knowing that their children are in a safe learning environment, not having to worry about what negative influences may have affected the child's day at school. The parent is now in total control of the child's academic progress instead of relying on the school system that he or she may not have confidence in. The home environment may be an ideal setup for learning, compared to the overcrowded classrooms and disruptive students that may affect the learning process. Children learn in a less threatening environment where they do not fear their teachers and other students. Some schools have lax policies that may let some students get away with their improper actions and behavior. The child is now under the supervision of the parents who can dictate their academic course. In homeschooling, the child and parent-teacher proceed at their speed and more focus can be directed on subjects that the child has difficulty with. With homeschooling, the parents have the choice to teach the child themselves with the many available homeschooling resources and materials available. Or the parents could choose to hire educational services through the internet or a tutor. For those who have children with learning disabilities or cognitive disabilities, the parent is given the opportunity to work closely with the child's academic study. Parents desiring to give their children a religious education without the necessity of sending them off to a private school, can work around the homeschooling program to tailor it as encompassing their theological beliefs. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please stop by our site for more homeschooling info. If you are interested in a Christian, self-paced, online homeschooling course with customizable curriculum, just follow the link in the description.